What's that? That's the goose. Stunning, melt in the mouth. And so simple, but so many different flavours. We've gone top shelf. I want to get some flavour in there. That's going to be in there for about 3 hours.
Hi everyone, we're here in Kew again and it's Christmas time. We've cooked up an amazing feast with the amazing, brilliant and super talented James Peck.
Appreciate that.
Neil, what have we cooked today?
Well, it's been a festive menu of festive pork in many ways. Some of the most fantastic pork I've ever eaten.
Yeah.
A bit of Spanish, a bit of British, lovely cuts, all cooked in all sorts of different ways. The really extra specials.
We're building flavour. We've got this, which I'm going to do now. We've got this amazing bacon. So look, bang. You know, what I love about using the Charlie oven is just the the versatility of it. I'm pan frying in it while something's kind of smoking. In a little while we're going to demonstrate how we're going to cook dirty right in the bed. With the heights, especially the capacity of it, just gives me the option to cook things quickly, which I need, like the bacon I want quickly, but slow things up top. So and just the control is, for me, perfect. So I don't know if you can smell, if you start smelling that bacon.
Oh my god, that smells like mum.
Yeah.
It's been amazing. It's clearly exceeded my expectations. Fantastic. I can't wait to get the oven.
If you want to take it in turns passing that round, for me, that is the most nostalgic smell you can imagine.
And James, what did you cook?
We started off with burrito mussel and samphire with a bit of like veal jus. And then we've done 2 porchettas, one with goose stuffing and cherry. And then a little less traditional, we're using duya, stuffed one, so one's a bit spicy, one's a bit more traditional. We've done a beautiful Ember baked beets in the Charlie with walnut and feta icing. And then we utilised the Charlie again with the potatoes, layonnaise, loads of juniper cured bacon, so like a sticky jus potato. And then we took some leeks and we cooked them right in the base of the Charlie, got them all really dark and roasted. And then we kind of, turned it into this pork fat salad that isn't a salad, that is a salad, but isn't healthy.
It's just beautiful.
Yeah,
It's
so,
Christmas, it's allowed.
Yeah, so we had a
It's
good bit of
allowed.
fun. No, I've enjoyed it.
Good. What's the line?
And that's all from us, but I wonder about the table behind us, whether or not they've had a nice time. Do you think we could ask them? Yay!